Welcome to another EDD-Toolbar update. Today I want to show you some tools I add to copy, move, and merge files. Now these aren't something extremely special that you couldn't do before. We all could copy and move files. It's not a big deal. But I just added an extra level of convenience to perform those operations to EDD-Toolbar. So let me show you how they work. So I have an Excel here, and what I loaded is a directory list of my Adobe folder, just because we have a bunch of subfolders, right? And what I may want to do is copy these files, move them, merge, and so on. So let's see how the copying works. So let's say I want to copy these files from one location to another. All I have to do is make a copy of this column and then search and replace the destination path. So I'm going to replace my documents folder with, I'm going to make a folder on my desktop called export 3. So right here it's going to be empty, and I'm going to put this here, say replace all 157, close. And so now we have a source path and we have a destination path. And what we can do is highlight this and hit copy button. And now on the bottom you see the progress as files were being copied. And now the files are here. And of course the main point is the folder structure was recreated. If you were to just make a batch file, the copy command is not going to create all the folders for you. What it's going to do is it's going to require folders to be there. And you need more complicated batch file in order to create folders and copy files. So that's kind of what we did. This is very useful when the client picks out certain files from the directory list and says we need to take these and copy them from one place to another. Move operation works just the same way, but instead of just copying, it's going to take them and actually move them to another place. Let's look at something that's a little bit more interesting, which is merge. I'm going to go to this folder here, and I have a bunch of text files. The reason why we could use merge is if we want to combine files from, let's say, page level to a document level, something we used to need to do in the past, don't really need to do it, but perhaps you have like a text messages and you want to combine them into a conversation. That's something that would be very useful. So I'm going to add like a path here, and we'll call it say conversation01.txt. All right, and then what we could do is drag it down and change this to 2 and drag that down, and why not, let's just do 3 and get it all the way down. Okay, so now we have this filled in, and any file from here is going to get merged into conversation 1. Then the 3 is going to get merged, and 4 is going to get merged, and so on. So let's highlight this, hit the merge button, we get a status of done, and if we go to the folder, we'll see we have conversation 1, 2, and 3, and as you can see, they're fairly large files, so we know we merged a bunch of files together. So again, combining page level to doc level, combining multiple text messages to a conversation level. Not sure what else, but just a good thing to have. And then finally, we have a binary merge. Now, binary merge works differently because it can take binary files and combine them together. So if you have those zip files that were split up into multiple pieces, it can combine those. Or if you have anything else that's been chopped up into little pieces, the idea is this merge button reads text and it just appends text. And binary merge takes the binary content of the file and appends it to the end of the other file. You could technically use binary merge on text file, but there are two options, so I'm going to let users see which one works better. Maybe binary merge is going to be faster, and then I'll just get rid of this one. So again, that's something we'll see as I use the tool and as others use the tool. So what we have here now is copy, merge, move, binary merge. Those are the new tools in EDD-Toolbar. Let me know if you think any of them are useful. Any feedback, please let me know. Thank you for checking out this update, and I will see you on another.